When do multi-step equations have infinite solutions? Imagine solving a puzzle where no matter what piece you try, everything fits perfectly. Sometimes in algebra, equations behave like this, and they have infinite solutions. When you work through a multi-step equation, you simplify both sides to see what they really say. If, after simplifying, both sides turn into the same expression, then every value of the variable makes the equation true. That means the equation has infinite solutions. Let's look at how this happens. First, you simplify both sides by removing parentheses and combining like terms. Then, you move all the variable terms to one side and constants to the other. When you do this, you might end up with an equation that looks like 0 equals 0. That's a true statement that doesn't depend on the variable. For example, take the equation 25 times a variable minus 35 equals 5 times the variable plus 4 minus 55. First, distribute and simplify both sides. You get 25 times the variable minus 35 equals 25 times the variable minus 35. Now, subtract 25 times the variable from both sides. What's left? Just minus 35 equals minus 35. Since minus 35 equals minus 35 is always true, no matter what number you pick for the variable, this equation has infinite solutions. It's like saying both sides are the same line. Every point on that line makes the equation true. This happens when the variables cancel out completely during the process, leaving only a true statement. It's important to recognize this because it shows the equation isn't just true for one number, but for all numbers. Understanding this helps you see when an equation isn't just solvable in one way but has endless solutions. So, next time you're solving multi-step equations, keep an eye out for that situation where everything cancels out and the remaining statement is always true. That's when you know you have infinite solutions.